Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I will show to you all of my Samsung Galaxy devices, Android, since I am into the ecosystem of the Samsung Galaxy officially, okay, but also partially into the ecosystem also of the Apple iOS product. So let's start up today. Okay, let's gonna start up with my Apple device. Let's gonna start with Samsung Galaxy devices from the smallest to the biggest. So just bear with the dogs outside. So it is so noisy. Okay, those dogs are always getting noisy in the morning. Okay, so that is why. Okay, so let's gonna start it up with the smallest one, and I have my Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus with a silicone cover of my Pikachu. And also, I really like this one also, and it is my daily use. This is also my daily use when I am going out. Okay, and it's also my EDC earbuds that I am using still today right now. Okay, so and on to the next is I have my Android watch, which is the smartwatch T500. So I will still use this one. And this is also used, and it has in the strap. It is the has the wrist strap of my Pikachu also, in which I also really like this one. And this is a good product also. This is not a Samsung, but it is a Android smartwatch, the smartwatch P500. So okay, no, and also I have my Samsung Galaxy J1 Mini Prime, and I use this I use this for my alarm clock in my room. Okay, and I use it, and also alarm clock slash MP3. Okay, I also use this as my MP3 player on it, since I have my daily phone when I go out. So okay, and also this one right here is the Samsung Galaxy J5. I think the J5. Okay, I'm gonna check it out first. Okay, it's too much. Okay, it's too much application in here, so I'm gonna check it out again. The version of this one. About phone. Okay, the J5 Prime. Okay, this is the J5 Prime, which is the model number SMG570F. So okay, this one also I use this for my secondary camera also. I also use this for my secondary camera. So third camera. Okay, my third camera for vlogging. The G5 Prime. Okay, and also I forget the model of this one. So I'm gonna check the model of this one also. Let's go to the about. Let's go to the settings and go to the about menu. About device. So this is the uh, Galaxy J1 Mini Prime, and the model number is SMJ106B. So yeah, it's good. Still good. It comes up with a 8 GB of memory. Also 8 GB of memory. So this one is, I forgot how many memory of this one. So I think it's only 16 GB. 16 GB of memory. Okay. And on to the next is I have my Samsung Galaxy A20s, and or this is my secondary camera for vlogging. Okay, it has an issue. The screen is sometimes it's not responsive, so that's why I have to put in sleep mode. So and then I'm gonna use the fingerprint here at the back so that I can use it. So it is a 4K wide camera on it. The camera is very good in this one. the camera is so very good, and it's so very what is this one? It's a very nice, very nice phone, bigger screen as you can see. And I'm gonna sample it to you, the screen of this one. So this is a good, phone. This is really a good phone. Okay, this is really a good phone also. So bigger screen, a big screen on it, and also it is also a uh nice feature of this one. This is a nice feature, a bigger screen. A Galaxy A20s must 64 GB of internal memory. That is one thing also, 64 GB. And I forget the processor of this one, so I'm gonna check that out. Okay, I'm gonna check Galaxy A20s. Okay, we're gonna check that out. Bigger screen, big display, nice phone also. Uh, Game is not lagging also. The game is not lag. Okay, and also my main camera for vlogging is the Samsung Galaxy A11. So I also like this one also. It's because it is so very good and very nice. So and it is a nice also phone also, and A11. So let's gonna check the settings. Let's go to the settings, and then the yes, SMA1158DS. So I think there's two model of this one. So A1158 and A11DS. So and also that is the A11. That's the one that you put. And also it only comes up with a 32 GB of internal memory. But I use this for my main vlogging. So this is the main phone for my vlogging. So I have three. So I have three for my vlogging. And since I make a vlog for my what is this called, for my Samsung Galaxy products. The I am using now is my iPhone 6. So I am using my iPhone 6 for my vlog for this one. So and the next is I have my daily driver. My daily EDC is my phone Samsung Galaxy A12. It has a quad core camera on it, and also has a nice camera at the front also. And it is a good i1 also. It's not big display, but it's still okay for me. So it's still okay for me. And it's just a nice one also. I really love it. A nice one also. And this is the also let's check the settings on it so that will know. So I will link down below all the products, and also to the Apple also. So, Samsung Galaxy. So I'm gonna link down below all the products that I am been using. Okay, and then it's taking too long. Okay, so okay. It's loading at the P because the phone is restarting. And the phone is restarting, and it's so not to give that kind of so okay. And then let's go to the settings. Let's opening it up. Okay. Okay, let's go to the about phone is the Samsung Galaxy A12, and then the model number SMA125FDS or so. Okay, there's a two A12. Okay, the model number A125F and also A12DS. So that is the model number. Is also the internal memory of this one is the 128 GB. 128 GB of internal storage. Also, I only want the internal storage. So not much of a camera. What is that? you call it so refresh rate. So I don't I'm not the kind of a person like that full operated, but you can check all the you can check all of my all of my all of my Samsung product specs into the description below so that you will see. Okay, so on to the next is I have my Samsung Galaxy Tab 3B, which is a phone and a tablet. So the nice product also, and it's also uh, it may be old, but this is still good right there. So this is Samsung Galaxy Tab 3B, and also powered by still powered by Android, and this is the old model. This is the old device of Samsung also, and still I still use it for my also taking notes, digital notes. Okay, and also digital notes. And let's go to the settings. Okay, let's go to the settings that you will see. Okay, so about device, let's go to the software. Okay, the status. Okay, device name is the Tab 3B and the model is SMT116NU. So that's the model. Android version. Okay, I forgot the Android version of this one. Android version of 4.4.4. So I forgot to mention all the all the version of the product. So I'm gonna get a recap also, and then onto the last one is my Samsung Galaxy Tab Samsung Galaxy Tab E T37. The model number is the T377B, and this is my daily driver for my taking digital notes also, and then social media, checking my social media, and then all of my notes in here are all saved and sync from my phone into here. So sync already by I forgot what is this one. So that if you have a Samsung uh, Samsung account, Samsung Galaxy account, so you can sync your notes in here to here in this tablet. So that is a one also what is one also one main what is this called one main that you can make a vlog, that you can make connected in two devices. Okay, so I forgot to show to you all of the I forgot to say it the model the what is the second again, the software info. Okay, the Android version is the Android version of this Samsung Galaxy J1 Mini Prime is the 6.0.1. Okay, and then the and also this one also the Android version of this one J5 Prime. The okay, the J5 Prime is the version of this one is the 8.0.0. So okay, it's still good. And then also my Samsung Galaxy A11. Okay, the version of this one the version of this one, okay, is the 12. So Android version is 12. One UI core version 4.1. So that is the one. Okay, 4.1. And then also my my A12. So let's check the A12 also. Let's go to the settings menu and the software information, which is the One UI core version of 4.1 and Android version of 12. So, and the last is my Samsung Galaxy A20s. So let's check the settings. Let's go to the settings and go to the software information and check the one you are core version of 3.1 and the Android version of 11. So, okay. That's all of my Samsung Galaxy Android devices and also accessories. So thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you will not have all of my future vlogs here at my channel. So thank you so much for watching.